asphalt WMS. We've got an 89 Freightliner coming on the lot. Got your cat diesel in there. All the details are going to be in the description. We're just going to show you around. Front treads, 50% or more. Day cab's in really good condition. Got a big back window for you. Backup lights, strobe lights. Wet line on this truck. Everything's working. The only thing I noticed, it starts real well. The only thing I noticed did not work is the windshield wipers. They're air supplied. Just have a line that needs fixed. Nothing's leaking, but 4 of your back tires are 50% or more. The back 4, I'd say, are 10-20%. Pintle hitch, air supply plus electric supply back here for your pintle. Pretty good looking day cab truck. Aluminum wheels all the way around. A little extra toolbox here on the side. The lettering on the side is vinyl. It's been on there for a while. Again, you got real good rubber on the front. Pretty good looking truck yet. Paint's still good. We're going to take you for a ride in it real quick. '89 Freightliner, we're inside now. I'm going to start it up, show you how easy it starts. All the controls are working. Like I said, the only thing not working is the wipers. This does have the electric brake control too if you're pulling a pintle hitch trailer. Running truck, goes down the road smooth, brakes feel good. Horn works, strobe light on top. It's ready to work going down the road or for your farm. Heater works good. It's all WMS. Give us a call if any questions. Good running truck, ready to go to work.